Look at this very aircraft video where the steps roll down from the aircraft down to the ground and then I climbed up. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record and then edit this kind of video with just your smartphone together with CapCut editing application.
Let's head to CapCut editing application to show you how I recorded the video. After showing you, then we can now proceed with the practical or the tutorial. Now, once you click on it, head over in your own case to bring the video in, click on this new project. Now, it will take you to your gallery. Then you search out for the video that you want to edit. Okay, here is the video here, and click on it. Click on add button to bring it up to the editing interface proper. First of all, at the beginning of the video where you have the empty background, click on the video bar like this to highlight it. Swipe to the end part of this part of the CapCut. Click on freeze to freeze some part of the empty background. Now, this is the freezed one. Take the video to where you are about to enter into the camera, then highlight the video. Click on it to split it here. Okay, remove this side. I want to play the video now after removing it so that you will see how I recorded it. Okay, this is where I walked in, waving my hand as though I was waving down the airplane. I demonstrated it as someone climbing on the staircase. Okay, at this point, let's stop here and then highlight the video, come over to split and then click on the split and then have this one deleted by clicking on delete button. Okay, now what you will need to do again is to head over to the main video here, the action part of the video, highlight it, swipe down to this end until you get to overlay button, click on it to bring it down, click and hold and take it to the beginning of this very freeze part of the video. What you need to do now is to click on this freeze part of the video by highlighting it. Now click on this white part of it, click and hold and take it to the beginning of the video here or somewhere here, anywhere, because we will still remove some part at the end. The next thing which you need to do is to bring in the airplane background. Okay, if you need this airplane green background, then indicate on the comment section. I will send it to you so that you can make use of it. Okay, help me to share this video. If you have watched the video to this very point, you are lucky. It shows that you are really interested to learn. Click on this very plus button here to bring in the airplane background. Here is it. Click on it. Click on add button to bring it up to the editing interface. Click on it to have it highlighted and then search for overlay. Here is overlay. Click on it. Now the airplane green background has covered the entire screen here and you need to remove it. Okay, how will you do that? Is by coming to remove BG. Here is it, and click on remove BG. Click on the third option, chroma key. You will see this circle here. Just click and hold and shift it. The color will disappear. Have you seen it now? Looking on the airplane, you will still see the green color circling the airplane. Come to intensity and adjust it to close to 50%. The color will disappear entirely. And click on this very check mark button after the adjustment. Now, let's play the video a bit. All right, I want to highlight something here. From the beginning here, you will notice that the plane is at my back, at the back of my hand. And this plane, based on my demonstration here, is supposed to be in my front. Okay, you need to push the airplane to appear at your front. To achieve that, you need to duplicate this video, the action video. See the one I'm talking, not this freeze part, the action video, the middle one. Click on it, okay, and then head over to duplicate because you are having it highlighted. Go to duplicate, click on it, okay, click and hold and swipe it down below the green color background and take it to the beginning of the video. It will appear like this. Now you can see that the airplane is no longer showing. This is what you will do. Come over to that, the second overlay of the action part. Here is it. Highlight it by touching any part of this bar. Now the next thing which you need to do is to head over to remove background by touching it here. In the normal circumstances, we ought to have clicked on auto remover, but due to this pro feature, you can see that pro on top of this very auto remover. It shows that for you to use it, you must pay for it or subscribe to the monetizable features. Okay, let's click on it. You will see the airplane will appear automatically. Have you seen it? It is no longer at the back of my hand, it's in the front now. But due to this pro feature that had appeared automatically the moment we click on that auto removal, you cannot download it. Okay, so we are going to go by the alternative means. Okay, since you are using the free version, but if you want to make use of the pro features, you have to pay CapCut. Let's restore the video and then click on this check mark to get back to where we were. So to remove it manually, you need to click on this custom removal. Having it clicked, come to this brush, click on that brush, come to brush size and reduce it to 1. Start brushing your hand on this very guy standing here. In your own case, you brush on that very guy. Don't brush the empty space, only the guy standing. Okay, see what I want you to do in your own case. It will take you time. Please calm down and do it. So the moment you are done brushing this young guy, you can see that the thing is applying. Okay, the white circle will go around. Now click on this check mark button or key here, then allow it for some seconds. The airplane will appear again. You can see it now. The video now is showing in front of the young guy standing with his hand raised up now. Okay, the next thing which you need to do is to take the video forward. You can see the airplane rotating. We don't really need that part. Take it to where the airplane is straight here, like this, based on the feature we want to apply. Then highlight it by clicking on this very place. Okay, you can see where I'm touching. Highlight it and then click on this return arrow to return it forward. Then scroll to split to have it split. Highlight this side and click on delete to remove that part. Click and hold and take the video to the beginning line like this. Okay, so you can see that the airplane has appeared at my back again. What you need to do is to click on this green color. Now swipe to where you will see layer. This is another thing which you need to take note of. I'm teaching you another thing. Now click and hold and swipe this to the front. You can now see that the airplane has shifted to the front. Is no longer at my back due to this action we take here. Click on check mark. Now what you need to do now is to test the length of that very step. Okay, so you can see that the step is far from my feet here. Come over to the airplane. Now highlight it and come to the screen. Increase the size like this from here. Very good. Now come over to the beginning of the video. Come over to this keyframe and click on it because you have already highlighted the airplane. Once you have it clicked, now red arrow, you can see that red stuff there will appear. What you need to do is to come to this. You can see this blue line. It shows that we are working on the airplane. Now click and hold and take the airplane until it will disappear or some part of it showing like this. Now take the airplane or push the video to where the young guy is waving on the air like this. Now come to this side. You can see the blue line and then return it back like this. Now let's play the video to check our action. Have you seen it? Very good. So what you need to do at this point now is to come on this very guy. Once the step is fully done, then you have this particular one highlighted, not the second one. Come on this very chroma key and then activate it. You will see a double edge arrow here. You can see it. Now as you are taking the video forward, little by little, come over to this screen and then zoom it in a bit. Okay, watch what I'm about to do now. You position it proper. As you take it forward, automatically another keyframe has been added based on the fact that I reduced the size. Have you seen it? Another one has been added. You take it forward again. Keep adjusting the video until the very guy climbs the stair to the door of the plane. At this point where you've gotten to that very plane door, then come over here and click on split like this. Delete this side. Bagam. Now coming back to the same stuff, position your video timeline from where you added the first keyframe on this very guy. Come over to the second video bar, highlight it, then click on split and then remove it like this by clicking on the delete button. Okay, so once you have it clicked like this, the next thing is to play your video to be sure that everything is in good order. So have you seen it now? So after the step rolled up like this and the plane took off, what you need to do is to head over to where the plane disappeared like this, and then come over to this very one and then highlight that very freeze part, which is the empty background. Come over to split here, click on split, come over to this part and then highlight it and click on delete. Then let's test the video again. So once you are done, the next thing for you to do is to click on this very export button, then and have your video downloaded straight to your gallery, where you will then post it to your page or your channel. Help me to share this very video so that others will benefit from it. See you in my next video.